What is up, guys? Brittany here with Brit's Hobby Shop, back for another video. And today I'm going to be opening up these 7 rolls and let's see if we can find something good. All right, let's get into it. All right, look at this, guys. We found our first wheat cent, a 1946. Okay condition, but nevertheless a wheat cent. So I'm definitely going to add this to my collection. Let's go and see if we can find more. All right, and we found another wheat cent, guys. The infamous 1955. And oh, how I wish it was a double die, but it is not. Unfortunately, it is a wheat cent though, so we're going to add it to the collection. All right, let's see what else we can find. Okay, guys, so we are now in the second roll, and I just found another 1946 wheat cent. Very nice. This one looks to be a little bit better condition than the last one. But all right, let's keep looking. And we have a 2009 Presidency Lincoln cent. I usually keep the nice ones, so I will be adding this to my collection. 2009 Presidency Lincoln cent. All right, let's keep looking. All right, guys, so we are almost done with the 4th roll, and I found another wheat cent. We are doing good with these wheat cents. 1944, not the best condition, but 1944 wheat cent. Awesome. All right, guys, so I didn't find anything in the last 3 rolls, so let's go ahead and do the recap. All right, first up we have the 1946 wheat cent. This is one of them I found. We have the 1955 wheat cent. Another 1946 wheat cent. The 2009 Presidency Lincoln cent. And lastly, a 1944 wheat cent. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Happy hunting, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.